This tutorial goes over how to do a quality check by impersonating a demo student. For this week's quality check, we are going to make sure that our Dropbox is set up appropriately, grade an assignment and quiz item, and provide feedback. So the first thing that we want to do is click on the class list link. From here, we want to scroll down to our ZZ student, ZZ demo, and select impersonate. Here we'll get a dialog box that asks us, do we want to suspend our current session? And we will click the yes button. Now we can see up in the upper right hand corner that we are impersonating our student. So that the first thing that we want to do is submit an assignment via the Drobox. So in order to access our Drobox, we're going to click on the assessment tab, click on the Drobox link. Then we're going to click the week 1 Drobox. From here, we are going to click the add a file option, select from my computer, select upload, and we will select the demo student assignment week 1 and hit add to upload that. And for comments, I'm just going to put test. And then I'm going to click the submit button. And then we are going to click the done button. The next thing, before I verify from the instructor side how that looks, the next thing that I want to do is complete the quizzes that were set up for this week. So I'm going to click the assessment tab and select quizzes and exams. From here, I want to click on the week 1 quiz. Here it's going to give me basic information about the quiz, and I'm going to hit the Start Quiz button. So far, everything looks great. So here we can see our 5 items. I'm just going to go through and select some responses. Here's our matching. Our short answer. And our true false. So now I am going to click on submit quiz. And it's giving me a prompt warning me that I'm about to submit my quiz. Yes, I want to, so we'll say submit quiz again. Now we can see it automatically gave me my score. So on this quiz exam, I got a 3 out of 5. So, and we can see it's averaging the attempts here. So we're going to click the done button. That looks as it should. So we're going to hold off on checking the grades until I go in as the instructor to enter in the grades for the Drobox. So let's go ahead and do that. So as a reminder to stop the impersonation, I'm going to click the ZZ demo student and click the X button. So now that we're back in the designer role, I want to go into the Drobox to be able to grade the assignment. So I'm going to click on the assessment link, select Drobox. For here, we want to go into the week 1 Drobox. And here I can see submitted assignments. I'm going to click on the link for the assignment that I want to evaluate. I can enter in my evaluation by a variety of things. This, I'm just going to look over it, and instead of, I'm just going to provide the feedback directly. So for the score, we're going to give the student an 18 out of 20. They did miss some couple of points for some key little grammar mistakes. So we will click Publish button. You can see that grade has been updated, and let's provide some feedback. Make sure to check your grammar before submitting final draft. Grammarly is a good tool. And we've input our comment, so let's go ahead and say update. As you can see, there's also the option if we wanted to record audio or add a file, we could do that, but we're just going to post a text response. So we'll click the update button. And now what we want to do is go back to get out of our instructor role and back into the student demo to see how that looks in the gradebook. So again, I'm going to click on the class list. I'm going to go to my ZZ student and say impersonate. We'll select yes. And so now we're doing a quality check for the gradebook to make sure everything's showing up. So now we can see the quiz score came through, as well as the week 1 Dropbox assignment item that we just assigned that 18 out of 20, as well as the feedback we provided. So overall, I can say we're happy with the quality check that we did for this week's assignments, and that is all.